Welcome to Springtime Learning. In this kid-friendly educational platform, kids will find the way where learning is fun and growing is great. With us, toddlers, preschoolers, kindergarten kids, and early learners can begin their exciting learning journey. Here, kids will learn about alphabet, reading and writing, numbers, counting and math skills, colors, shapes and creativity, animals, birds and nature, fruits and vegetables, rhymes, poems and stories, general knowledge, language skills, science, learning activities, and so much more. We are here to learn, play, and grow together every day. So come along, let's go and grow together.